Welcome to Exodus versus MetaMask swaps. Which crypto wallet is better? Links to both wallets are in the description below. In this video, we'll compare Exodus and MetaMask swaps, focusing on their features, functionality, and who they're best suited for. Exodus is a well-known desktop and mobile wallet that supports over 200 cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and a wide range of altcoins. One of its standout features is its built-in exchange, which allows users to swap assets directly within the wallet. Exodus is designed for ease of use, making it ideal for beginners and intermediate users who want a simple and intuitive wallet to manage their crypto portfolio. It also integrates with Trezor hardware wallets for added security. However, while it's a great option for general cryptocurrency management, its swap feature is limited to the assets Exodus supports, which might not suit users looking to swap more niche coins. MetaMask Swaps, on the other hand, is a browser-based wallet primarily used for Ethereum and ERC20 tokens. MetaMask is most commonly associated with interacting with decentralized applications, dApps, and decentralized finance, DeFi platforms. The swaps feature of MetaMask allows users to trade tokens directly within the wallet by aggregating liquidity from various decentralized exchanges, DEXs. This gives users the flexibility to choose from multiple DEXs to get the best price for their trades. MetaMask Swaps is ideal for Ethereum-focused users who frequently interact with the DeFi ecosystem and want to execute fast, decentralized swaps with minimal hassle. It also allows users to manage their private keys and supports hardware wallet integrations for enhanced security. In summary, Exodus is perfect for beginners and intermediate users who want a simple, all-in-one wallet with built-in exchanges for a broad range of cryptocurrencies. On the other hand, MetaMask Swaps is better suited for more experienced users focused on Ethereum and DeFi activities, offering more control over swaps and access to a broader range of DEX liquidity. Check the links in the description for more details about each wallet.